You don't know it's Mr. Quick Cook from the Jerk Stop, where you get the flavor without the flight. So we have some rice and peas here, so a bubble. You see me, the pot already seasoned. So me know I got question say, yo, where the season when put in it? But me did already season the pot. Me just did have a few more things we put in the pot. And me say, you know what? Let me just make a little quick video for you. You see me? But me I go into more details with of next video where me I go make. So you see every ingredients when me put in my rice and peas. So you can make the same thing at home. You see me? For me not no recipe I hide for nobody. I know me that. You have to share your recipe them so your recipe them can live on. So what we say now? Wash up the rice, you know. Enough people are cook up their rice now and they don't wash up their rice, you know. You know? You have to wash up the rice. Even though some of the rice them you can cook, like the jasmine rice. Yeah, you can bubble that. You can get that like a nice flavor there, because when you wash the jasmine rice sometimes you wash off that like a sweet flavor there, you see me? So wash up your rice, dash in a pot and make pot go and bubble. You see me? I go see how that one is Shelly, man. Shelly that one your name, you see me? That one remind me of my ex-girlfriend named Shelly. So every time me I cook the rice, me have to cook my rice to make it Shelly, because guess what? Shelly did a good girl until she turned bad for me, you see it? But don't know quality. Look there. Shelly. You don't know Shelly. I hear that. So check it. Rice and peas. Don't miss the quick cook way. And that's the thing there. Mad. Subscribe, share, like. You see me? I could read somewhere with that page. That's why there.